back to Edmonton. We've so far started going 2 hours ago, and we still have 10 minutes. 10 hours to go. It's supposed to be 12 hours ang among travel. So we are in the middle of nowhere. We are in the middle of the mountains. So our signal is pretty much zero. Oh, there's another car, yeah? So, we're here. So we use our truck this time, not our RAV. Kay luoy na kayo ang among RAV. We always use it every time we go so many places. So our 2009 Toyota RAV is actually now 190 kilometers gamit na. So the weather is not very good, but still rain is a sign of a blessing. So ever since we left in Vancouver, Coquitlam, it was raining up to now, 2 hours after, and we'll still see the clouds is still cloudy, still not clear. So that means we are having still rainy driving. So my kids are on their own moments. See, Daddy is peacefully driving there, and I am probably going to nap when I feel going to nap. So as per request of the kids, we use our truck to travel, which is very comfy. Okay, very all our stuff at the back. The mga bauna mo. So magpadayon tag video ani, another 10 hours pa tani. So exactly 10 hour to go after 2 hours exactly of travel. So gatungas mis bungtod, that means we will be having a gaumos of travel. So look at the mountains, they're so nice. Foggy, that means very cold na siya. So looks like the road's gonna have construction again, so they have this now. See that one? Yung mga truckers nag-hazard sila, that means bugat kaayo sila.
Kayo na boy?
Ay, kayo na ka? Can you not go in that side though? Pwede mo ka masod na. You're gonna go pee-pee. Okay, Daddy. Mag-hazard ka na lang, Dad. Okay. So, mangihi sa kuno si Daddy. Ciao!